is a day that I've been putting off for a while because I really didn't want to do it. If I'm honest, I'm just looking at it now and I'm thinking, I'm not looking forward to this, but from what I can see, it's a fairly easy task, so maybe I'm just getting a bit worked up about nothing. But anyway, so what I want to do today is work on the 540, and I want to sort out the squeaking steering that I've got because it is driving me insane every time I drive it. So basically what that entails is changing over the centre steering linkage, and well, I'll show you what I've got actually. So this is the new centre linkage, minus the track rod ends, because I think the ones on mine are still pretty decent, so I'm going to try and reuse them. But if they're no good, it makes sense to swap them over because they're not very expensive, but I'm going to have a look first. And I've got a new steering, what do you call it, steering linkage. I can't remember what you call this, but it's not, it might be a pitman arm, or it's a pitman arm from the steering box, I think. I'm going to have a go at changing those over, and hopefully that will sort out the squeaking. I've managed to split one of the ball joints for the tie rod ends, and I use this tool here, but it didn't really fit, so I've had to sort of modify it a bit so that it will, the jaws will open up wide enough to fit round, because then on its own it doesn't really fit. So that's one down. I'm going to have a go at the other side now. If I go here and show you what I've done, obviously I've removed the whole assembly, and now I need to basically set it up so that the new track rod ends that go on here will be sort of roughly in the same place. So what I'm going to do is measure it from the ball joint to the ball joint, and then obviously then I can work out how far I need to wind it on, so it should be sort of there or thereabouts on the car. And then obviously I'm going to go and get the wheel alignment done as well.